Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to teach you some mathematical concepts from grade 4th of Smart Mathematics. This is from chapter number 1, which is on page 1. Chapter 1, the number system. Our subtopic is the place value. Place value means to put a digit according to its value on its proper place. Today I am going to tell you about international place value system and Pakistani place value system, which are the types of place value. International place value system has 3 periods in 6 digits. First period is of 3 digits, which is called unit periods. It has ones, tens and hundred values. In thousand period we have 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. It also has 3 digits. After one period, we have to put a comma between them. Now I'm going to tell you about the Pakistani period. Pakistani place value system has 3 periods in 6 digits. First period is of 3 digits, which is called unit period, as well in international period 6, ones, tens and 100. Our second period in Pakistani place value is thousand period. It has 2 digits only, which is 1000 and 10,000, and our third period is of lakh period. It has also 2 digits. After one period, we have to put comma first after 3 digits, and then in Pakistani period we have to put comma after two pairs. First period is of 2 digits, that's why we have to put comma after 2 periods. This is the difference between Pakistani and international place value system. Now I'm going to tell you about how we have to write the numbers in numerals and in words. You have to read that passage by your own. I'm going to explain it to you. It has 2 or 3 main points which I am going to tell you. First main point is, whenever we are going to write or read any value, we have to start it from the highest or the biggest place value. And the second thing is, when we have to put commas between them, we have to start it from the right to left. We have to start digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we have to put comma, and if it is in international, again after 3 digits, and if it is in Pakistani period, after 2 digits we have to put commas later on. This is the main points of Pakistani and international period. Here we have some examples. You can easily see that in international place value system they put comma after 3 digits, and in Pakistani they put first after 3 and then after 2 digits. That's how we are going to solve our questions, which is on next page number 3. Question 1 and 2 are from that concept. Question number 1 is, write the following numbers in words using both the international and Pakistani place value system. Here are some numbers. First we have to put commas between them, then we are going to write them in words in Pakistani and international both place value system. Here I have an example for you. Part A, I'm going to solve it for you. This is our part A question. Pakistani place value system. First we're going to write heading on the top. Then we have to put comma according to Pakistani place value system. After that we have to write its place value, which is very important. To write every digit in words, we have to put their place value first on the top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s. So it is 75,209. Now I'm going to explain you about the international period. 75,209. In international place value system, the value remains the same because it has 5 digits, and till 5 digits we have the same value. The difference starts from the 6th digit. Here I am going to tell you about a 6-digit question. How we have to write that in Pakistani period? First we put commas, then we have to put their place value on the top, then start writing it in words. Start from the biggest value, it is 6 lakh and 29. We are not going to write any value for that zeros because there are zeros and we don't write zeros in words. Same like this in international system. First put comma between them, then put place values on the top, and our biggest value here is 600,029. That's how we can solve. This is the H part from your question number 1. That's how you can solve that question number 1 very easily. I had solved 2 examples for you. You can do rest of the parts by yourself. Now question number 2 is opposite of question number 1. Here we have the values written in words, and we have to write them in numbers. So I'm going to explain you about our, our question in Pakistani and our question in international place value system. C part is 312,902. From the biggest value, it is 300. We clearly understand that it is written in international period. First you have to identify the question, then you are going to solve it. It is in international period. That's why we write the place value here in international place value system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. You have to write the place values first. Then put the numbers according to its place value below. Our question is 312,902. So 300 on the below the 100 place value, 12 on the 1000 below on the thousands place value system, 9 below on the 100, and then we have a value 2. We write it below the ones because it has one digit, so we have to write it below the ones. So we don't have any value for the tens digit, so we put it a 0 here. And keep that one thing in your mind, that don't forget to put the place value first. Here another question of in Pakistani in place value system, it is 3,23,000. First put its placed value on the top. From the lakh we understand that it is in Pakistani period. Put their place value here. Now we are going to put that values below place value. 3 lakh, so we have to put 3 below lakh, and it is and 23,000. So we have to write that 23 here, and we don't have any value of 100, tens and ones, so we have to write zeros for it. That's how you can solve the question number 2 also very easily. I hope you understand the concept, and now you are able to solve all that rest of parts by yourself. You can solve international and Pakistani place value system in your workbook as well. I will tell you about the page numbers in my next video, inshallah, which you have to do as your homework. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.